So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Future Tech with Navdeep. So have you ever wondered how these computers create images, write stories or even compose music? So today we are going to delve into this fascinating world of generative AI, the genai, the technology behind all these amazing capabilities. So do you see these pictures here? They are generated using genai, the chatgpt tool. So even the content I create, the program I write, I use it at each and every stage of my life. So it's like a personal assistant to me, who is jack of all the trade, who know how to solve my problem. So it's like a genie. So do you know how this genie is made, how this genie works? So it's like feeding a machine with lots of example, like the way we learn from reading books and watching videos. And after that, we ask it to create something unique based on that learning. But it's not about just creating art, it's also about creating new products, new designs. It's being used in so many use cases. So do you think it's going to replace your job? It is going to take your job? So the answer is no. So Gen AI is a tool to enhance your creativity and productivity. So it's not going to replace you in any way. So do you see here? I have created one image using the Gen AI. Just you have to describe what kind of image you want. It can create according to your imagination. And also, do you see here? You can also write programs. Okay, just in no time, you can ask what kind of programs you want to use. So the use cases are endless, the possibilities are endless. You can explore it according to your use case. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like it and subscribe it for more such YouTube videos.